at the request of one of my Patreon members, Gene, asked me to do some tests with the 6-inch coil in my test garden. So we're going to run through test garden with 6-inch coil, and I'm going to do some tests on the depth of the Equinox 800. So Gene, this video is for you, buddy, and hope you get something out of it. So let me get this coil on there and get over the test garden, and we'll get started. All right, we got the 6-inch coil on the 800. What I like to do now is you don't have to do this, but I personally like to turn on the machine and do a factory reset when I put a new coil on. Hold down the power button, factory. So, got the coil on there now. So let's go out to the test garden and give this thing a little test in all the different targets I got out there. Most of the targets in the test garden are around, let's see, 9 inches. A couple are deeper. One's 12, one's a 10.5 inch dime. We'll see if it can hit that. I'd be impressed if it does, but we'll see. Let's go. All right, I got the Equinox 800 here. Gonna go ahead and noise cancel. Don't really need to, but I'll go ahead and do that. I've already ground balanced. I got the volume up. We're not doing anything fancy. This is Park 1. We'll run through the targets. Here is a 10.5 inch dime. I don't expect to hit that. It's pretty deep. Now there's another coin over here, 12 inches, 12-inch half dollar. I don't expect to hit that either, and I don't. This is a crapped up nickel. It's got some junk next to it, so it's not a real good nickel signal as far as the numbers go. I'll turn on all metal mode so you can kind of hear the iron in there. Here is an 8-inch quarter on edge. So it hits that, no problem. Here is a suspender clip down about, I think it's about 6-7 inches. So no problem there. Here's a silver thimble about 8-9 inches. No problem there. Here's another V-nickel, I think it is. Nickels ring up on this machine about 12, 10, 11, 12. That's about right. This is going to be, I believe, going to be a pull tab or something like that. I can't remember. I think this is definitely a large cent. Yep. And this is going to be shell frags. This is a flat button down about 8 inches. So no problem there. Coming back through, here is a Civil War bullet down about 7-8 inches. I think there's some contamination there for this signal. Having trouble hitting it on multiple machines now. So there's something in there, just doesn't want to read it really well. This is a dime in between some nails. No, I have not jacked with the recovery speed. It's whatever the default is. Here is a bottle cap. 8. And coming back through, this is an Indian head penny. No problem with that. Here is a barber quarter, 8 inches, 9 inches. So there you go. Now let's go ahead and we'll change the, oh, I see Rocky's got the ball. Now we're going to start that. Recovery speed, I have it 5. I'll leave it at 5. I mean, I'll drop it down to 2 or 3, maybe 1. Make some more depth out of it and see if that matters. Let's try to hit the dime again. Park 1. Nope, not gonna hit it. So let's go into park. Let's go into park 2. See if that matters. So park 2 has. It's kind of hitting it, but I don't know if it's hitting that dime or something else down there. That hole is definitely contaminated too, along with this nickel. Eight-inch quarter on edge. Still gets that. Suspender clip. No issues there. Thimble. Still gets that. Now remember, the Park 2 is more for jewelry and not coins, so it's going to hit harder on jewelry versus coins. That's a pull tab. This is going to be your large cent. Shell frags. Button. Civil War bullet. Still having trouble with that. Rusty bottle cap. Still does not hit that silver dime in there. Rocky, seriously. I'm going to send him more to the bank here so it keeps him busy. There. I'll keep him busy for a little bit. 12-inch half dollar. It's trying. That would be impressive if it hit that. So let's do field. Let's go over to field 1. Try it again. Dime. Ooh, listen to that. That's impressive. It's hitting that dime in field 1. What about this 12-inch half? Nope. Must be just on the edge of detection for the dime. That's pretty impressive though. Wow, that's really impressive for that little coil. All the other targets I'm sure it's going to hit. Let's see if it hits this dime in between the nails. Oh, look. It's getting that dime. So if you're using this gene, I would say maybe field 1 might be your better choice so far. V-nickel. No issues there. Everything else it should hit 8-inch quarter. I mean, it's weird. It's having trouble hitting. Like it hits better on the coin in park mode, but yet it'll hit this dime in field mode. All right, Rocky, you're annoying. So it hits that dime in field 1. What about field 2? Let's see if it hits it in field 2. It's not ringing as high, but it's hitting something. What about the quarter? Still having some trouble with that 8-inch quarter on edge. Here's the nickel with the iron around it. Here's a V-nickel. No problem with that. Suspender clip. Yep, no issues there. Just doesn't hit hard on silver. Silver thimble. Alright, Rocky, here you go again. See, it's having trouble with that V-nickel, or I'm sorry, the barber quarter. How about the Indian head? Still hits that. So it's going to be hit or miss here, there. Then again, my recovery speed for this is 7, so it's actually really high. So let's I'm sorry about Rocky. He's kind of annoying. Let's lower that down a little bit more and see if we can't get more depth out of it. All right, Rocky, here you go. All right, more depth. Let's see if it picks up these coins now. Ooh, that 12-inch, nope. All right, there we go. It's hitting the coins again. That was a problem. The recovery speed was too high. Lower the recovery speed, and it'll hit these targets. It'll probably hit this dime. A little bit of trouble there. Well, anyway, I think you get the idea. It's going to hit all these targets with your recovery speed lowered. Just like that. Silver thimble, pull tab, large cent. All right, Gene, there you go. Hopefully this was helpful for you. I hope this was what you're hoping for. Rocky is very impatient as usual. Ooh, that's a good one. It'll take a while to find that one. If you have any questions, just let me know. You are a Patreon member, and I appreciate you, and that's why the rest of you guys out there are seeing this video, because it was asked of my Patreon members, and I do everything for them first, and then you guys get to see it on YouTube. So thanks again, Gene, for the thought and idea and on what to do here for you, and I'll do another comparison chart, air depth test chart for you as well, and I'll put that. I'll either email that to you, or I'll put it in the video. All right, let's go do it.